In this video, we are going to create row and column in Flutter. So as you can see, I've already created a stateless widget. I've already provided app bar. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to provide a body property. In this body property, now I'm going to create a new row widget. So I will say new row. Now this row widget has a property called as children. Now as you know, in a container we can only provide one child, but in row and column we can provide multiple childs using a property called as children, which takes a list as a widget. So in this list we are going to provide multiple child. So the child widget that we are going to provide will be a text. So we'll say new text and we will provide a string. And now we will create this text two more times. Now if we restart our app, we must be able to see all the child will be aligned in horizontal order. Now as you can see, they are displayed in horizontal order. This is row, and if you want to create a column, the whole code will be same, just we need to change from row to column. And let's restart our app now, and this will display all the child in vertical order. So that's it. It's very simple to create a row and column, but it gets complex when you want to add a row inside a column. So let's consider that I want to create a column inside a row. So on the second row, I am going to create a new column using new column widget, and in this I am going to provide three more child using children property, and the child that I am going to provide will be a text widget. So I will say this is column. Now let's restart our app, and we might see some alignment issues. So let me explain you what alignment is. So in row and column there are two kinds of alignment, that is main axis alignment and cross axis alignment. So for a row, a main axis alignment is horizontally, and cross axis alignment is vertically. And for the column, the main axis alignment is vertically and the cross axis alignment is horizontally. So as you can see in our output, the column is not aligned in center. So we need to provide a main axis alignment in column, and we will say main axis alignment dot center. Now let's restart our app, and we will see that the column will be aligned in center. Now our row is also not aligned in center, so for that we need to provide a property called as main axis alignment in row, which takes a main axis alignment argument. We will say align it at center. Now let's restart, and as you can see, we have successfully aligned both row and column in center. And that's it. That's how you create a simple row and column in Flutter.